Hey everyone, recently there has been a new and trending news spreading real quick. This happened on Oscars 2022. Famous actor Will Smith slapped comedian Chris Rock, being said that was it right? Was it wrong? Everyone has different opinions. Let people decide. But what you can learn from this is that there are hundreds of videos that are being made on this topic and millions of people saw that. There lies an amazing opportunity for your growth. But the question is what you can do. You can make simple and easy YouTube videos without showing your face or using your voice. How you can make such videos? You can make such videos by using the secret undercover creator blueprint. That is my strategy that I'm sharing with you. If you are a beginner, here is the step-by-step process. First, you take an idea, you make a script using tools, then you get the voiceover done, and then the video is made. I will share with you the tools required and names later in the video. Where you can get the tools. First thing we need is the news. For trending news, you can use bundle and you can take the news and make a script. If you're a YouTube automation lover like me, you can use manual script writing by going to Transcription Panda, or if you want an AI based script, you can use Write Cream. The two will help you to make awesome scripts. Now after that, you need a voiceover. That is, someone will read your scripts. You can use a real human or AI. For humans, you can go on to castingcall.club, and for AI voices, you can make them at voicemaker.io. That being done, now we need a video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for such epic videos. For videos, you can download clips from YouTube and transform them, or you can use a software called ViceCut. This will help you to make videos faster and better. Upload and optimize. You can run a video and grow. It is advisable to use human voices so that you can easily apply for YPP, which is YouTube Partner Program. Why will people watch this? People are curious about the things happening around, and this is having a lot of viewers to whom you as an undercover serve and educate into a positive way that will help the viewer to know more. You can also add topics such as top 10 things about Will Smith and things Will Smith owns, kind of stuff, which works really well. You can check similar videos on YouTube that other channels have posted.